So my live video is kind of choppy, so I thought I would just record this myself right now instead of going live. This is, I think it's called Bowie Park in Fairview, Tennessee. I stumbled across this today. I just saw the sign. I've been seeing the sign for the past few weeks and never thought about driving back here until today. And it is fantastic. Apparently there's a trail that runs around the whole lake that you can hike, but I just think the water's beautiful. There's nobody really out here, so it's really nice and quiet. So you just sit back, relax, and just take in the nature and just enjoy yourself. Hear that? If you get a chance, check out Bowie Park in Fairview, Tennessee. It's quite nice.